Unraveling, to harp on, a phrase unpacked. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English expression, to harp on. Whether you've heard it in conversation or come across it in your reading adventures, understanding idiomatic phrases like this one is key to mastering the nuances of English. So, let's get to the bottom of what it means to harp on something. To harp on might conjure up images of someone playing a harp, but it's got nothing to do with music. When someone harps on a topic, they talk about it or mention it repeatedly in a way that can be annoying or tedious to others. It's like playing the same note over and over again. After a while, it gets irritating. Imagine a friend who keeps reminding you to wear a coat every time you go out because it's cold. If they mention it once or twice, it's just advice. But if they bring it up every time, they're harping on it. Let's put this phrase into context. If your teacher keeps talking about the importance of homework in every class, you might say, "My teacher won't stop harping on about homework." Or if a friend won't stop talking about the same story from their vacation, you could tell another friend, "He's still harping on about his trip to Greece." These examples show how the phrase is used to express the repetitive nature of the subject being discussed. There are several synonyms that can be used in place of to harp on. Some of these include to dwell on, to go on about, to labor over, to obsess over. Using synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing and can be particularly helpful if you want to avoid repeating the same phrase. And that's a wrap on the phrase, to harp on. Remember, while it's great to be passionate and share your thoughts, it's also important to be mindful not to harp on about one topic for too long. We hope this video has given you clarity on this expression and you'll feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Happy learning, and until next time, keep expanding your language horizons.